fire. We got fire. As long as I can get it hot. So this is the valve that got to be taken off. It's terrible. It didn't even work. I gotta replace any new valve. That's where the water is coming from. The valve. Maybe if I replace these valves, that will solve the issue since they're both leaking from the valves. Let's see what kind of valve we got. See how it's supposed to stop? The valve is broken. Yeah, you need 2 new valves. Both of them. I'm gonna put the valves in because it looks like they're leaking at the top. And then getting into all types of components of the system. Drain it. Cold.
Yeah, grab it.
Got it.
Wait. Go.
Yeah, it's coming off.
Hold on, don't force.
Okay.
I can take it off.
Oh yeah, it's all fucked up. I can see it inside. Definitely needs to be replaced. The inside is completely messed, it's corroded.
Get up and turn. I'm like, yo, what are you doing?
Cool. 1 down, 1 to go. Good shit, cuz.
So you think that solves the issue?
Well, we're gonna have to replace it and then we're gonna see.
Okay.
But we're gonna do the same thing with the other one. I done replaced mad parts on this furnace.
There you go.
This motherfucker is good.
Okay, now.
Set me up for the one to hold. The best results apply into the root. Clean, dry, melt blades. Might be the water burning off. Literally, I don't see any water hitting it. It could be a leak though. What? Yeah, here we go.
See some.
Here we go. Shit. Shit. Yeah, here we go.
It's a drip right there.
Yeah.
So it's a leak?
Yep. Fuck. How's it at the top?
I think because of the steam is making it wetter.
Alright, so my hot water boiler furnace has been shooting out water and steam from the relief valve, so I replaced the relief valve. Still having an issue, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace the expansion tank. I cut off the water to the system, drained it out. See if that solves the problem, keeps the furnace from... Okay. A little bit heavier than I thought it would be. Very heavy actually, but the expansion tank is taken out. This expansion tank is bad. A lot of water in it. About half a bucket. Draining the second expansion tank. 2 of them will be replaced. Hopefully that fixes both furnaces. So, I was having issues with my furnace, leaking water from the relief valve. Changed the relief valve. Now it's time to replace the expansion tank. The old expansion tank right here. New expansion tank. Teflon taped around the thread. And just screw this right on. all burned. Don't need to put it on much harder than that. Cool. Check the pressure, 12 psi. That one. You can take on this one as well. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the circulator pump on this furnace. I've already changed the expansion tank. I've already changed the relief valve. So essentially what's happening is I'm having issues with the furnace maintaining proper pressure and circulating hot water through your apartment. This is a hot water furnace, baseboard heating. So what happens is the water comes into the furnace, it heats it up, and it circulates it throughout the apartment on a continuous loop, so that way each of the rooms that the baseboarder in the apartment actually heat up and provide the tenants with heat. So what's happening here is this is the circulator pump, and this furnace is not circulating any water whatsoever. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to change it, replace it with the brand new circulator pump. So first things first, take the bolts off. Well, first things first is cut the system off, drain the water, make sure everything is out of it, so that way I can pull the pump off and replace it with another one. Finally able to remove the water pump, the circulator pump. This is where it was. And the reason why it took me so long to get this thing off is because these bolts were completely rusted. The nuts would not come off of them, so I had to get the help of Dremel. This thing, it took me about maybe 20 minutes to cut through all 4 of these bolts and get this water pump off. It's secure in place. Get the electronics working. Literally, it's going to be this wire and this wire. So we have the yellow and the white connecting to, you might not be able to see it clearly, but the yellow and the white connecting to the yellow and to white. Yellow to yellow, white to white. Let's push this in first. And I know I did it already, but if anyone is watching this, learning how to do it themselves, me of all people, right? Make sure everything, water and electricity is off the plate here. Just pour it back in. Wait for the lights to turn it up. Yellow, white, close it up. window. Wait. Let me check. Wait till one of the windows. Let me see. Secure? Secure? Now, before I really fire this up, what I want to do is I want to bleed all the air out of the system. And when I do that, I want to close the loop and force water into the system, which will in turn push all the air out. The water is going to push the air out. This is going to close it. And this not fixed. This is going to get this off. This is going to open it. This is closed. This is open. Not on it. Closed. So what I'm going to do is allow the water to flush through the system, which is going to, in turn, push all of the air out that's in the system. Move these wires out the way. Flush it out. It's going to take a while, so I'll end this video right here. New circulator pump installed. About to flush the system, fire it up, and let it go. So, this furnace is working 100%. Fired up and running. No leaks. New water pump. New expansion tank. New relief valve. Perfection. Same thing with this one. Working 100%. It's already at temperature now, so it's not firing up. No relief valve. No expansion tank. New circulator pump.